Quess up in a building, you see it? Just 3 words to describe myself. Well, me would I say humble, honorable, and artistic, you see it? Yeah. I've put the artistic part on it now, because you don't know the part of it, you see it? The biggest role model in music still no Blue. That's I'm more than one of them still now, and even come like music were captivating, you know. So I have more than one artist who I kind of have as a role model still, but big, I just name 2 of them still. You don't know Bob Marley, Cartel, Buju. You see me enough for all some more old artists still, but you don't know. I'm not gonna remember all of them right now, but all creative is top creative artists them, you see me, put them things together, you know, say yo, world have to just know say you can't help themselves but for vibe to it, you see. So a couple of them that still I have a good amount of them on kind of meds when it comes to music still. My style of music now, you don't know, me kinda listen a whole heap of different genre of music, you know, so me kinda learn how to fuse different genres together still, you see me, so I kinda like that fusing thing there. I'm kinda drawn to music. That's why I show you from the other question before this. So music, I do music on a whole. When I say music to me now, it's a whole heap of thing, because I listen to a whole heap of things. My friend them hear me, I listen to some song, them I say, yo, what are you listening, man? Where you come from, brother? You see it? So I always listen to a whole heap of different genre. From the music them put together the right way and have that energy the way captivating, you see it? So me listen them and see how them put them thing together and how them compose them thing, you see me? So I kinda learn from that to same way. So I kinda listen a lot of different genres. So my type of music now would be a reggae my thing still, but you don't know. I still I go fuse it with different things. You know what I mean? So my thing kinda mix crossover, but still, you know, can't say I always have to say reggae. Reggae never out of it, but you don't know what have different flow, different flavor, same way. So you gotta see all type of different music from me differently. Well, you don't know no Blue. We say hillside, you know, we say you don't know hillside na Clarendon. Hillside I mean, you know, I not say where you know, but hillside, you see it? Clarendon hillside, you see it? Love go on the hillside, go all a vibe and you know, look out on the view and just know say yo, listen to the breeze a blow, you know, listen to them birds a sing and them thing. Watch rain a fall all way over them places, you see it? Cause rain just a fall now, I love meds them thing there, you see it? Cause I don't know nature part of your inspiration too, you know, cause nature give me a whole part of inspiration too, you see it? So I have to hang out with nature, cause you see me? Help me for meds music, same way, you see it? I'm small, I hear music and that draw me to it, so you don't know from start go school. Even before I go school, I hear song and certain music. You don't know, you see it? But if I start go school, you don't know it go. I have to go music class to cause part of my mate that said we. Ever on decks and I make rhythm, same way. You see it? So I realized that from I was a small juvie, you see it? So from them time, I have the music meds and I come up and I know say, yo, build your talent, grow in the music, understand it and know how to put good composition together, you see it? Know how to put good composition together and make your thing captivate in the right way, so you don't know, say, it a hold on for a whole for years, you see it? So from when I youth, I preach, man. So from them time, I take time and do my thing from small and come up. You see, when I there at school now, I go build all. My first rhythm I build, because I build rhythm too, you know, you see. First rhythm I build was on a Sony Ericsson T20, something like so. You see? They have a little thing in it where you can mesh around and put certain little loop together. So I mesh around and come up with something wicked, you see? So from them time, I have meds and I say, yeah. So till I go get Fruity Loops now and start deal with it away and learn how to put things together and work on Fruity Loops still. You don't know. I build some crazy beat right now and still I sing same way because I have a full package, you know. Build rhythm, sing J same way. You see it? So from way back. So music, I'm born with it, so I just have to do music. There's no getting away from it. I have to just do music. A part of me, a part of my DNA. You don't know the blue music. Just like you know, your music in your blood, you know, you see? So you don't know. We have to go music. Music a part of it, so yeah. I have to do music, you see it? You don't know DJBLUE man out here, though. Now hills I go and take it easy and write some nice inspirational tune, you see it? I know say yo, Team Blue. Big up yourself, you know, Team Blue. Represent, you see it? Straight. Bop.